Welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to insert a clickable file link in Microsoft Word. This allows you to attach documents, PDF, or any file that can be accessed with a single click. Start by opening your Word document where you want to insert the file link. Use the search bar at the top of Word. Click on the search bar, type Insert Object. Click on the result that appears to open the Object dialog box. In the dialog box that appears, select the Create from File tab. Click Browse and select the file you want to insert. Click OK. And now the text will be a clickable link. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to insert a clickable file in Word using the object method. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.